This video is going to show you a little bit about dictation and how it can help with spelling. Students are going to listen to a short sentence from somebody, an adult, parent, teacher. The student then needs to remember the sentence in their brain, so that's practicing using their working memory, and then they're going to print by hand the sentence out on a piece of paper. The focus is to remember the sentence, try to spell the best way that they can, and then students are going to review their sentence, and then the adult working with them immediately is going to check the sentence and correct any mistakes with them. So a lot of students that have poor spelling, especially in the older grades, they have learned how to spell things incorrectly. And so now we need to do a series of unlearning and relearning the correct way. So this dictation practice is going to be based upon some of the reading skills that students are doing in my reading lessons. So it should be connected. They should be able to be remembering the skills that they learned from reading, and now we're going to try to apply it to spelling. So here's how this might look. So in one of my reading groups right now, we have been focusing on short vowels in the middle of a word. So CVC words, for example, cup. So focusing on the sound of the vowel in the middle. So for dictation, for their spelling practice, I may give them a sentence, this sentence, Kim had a red cup. So I would tell the student the sentence, maybe repeat it twice, be nice and clear, and then it's going to be their job to repeat it back to me, make sure that they have heard it correctly, first of all, and then that they have repeated the words correctly. Then I'm going to leave them, I'm going to look away, I'm not going to hover right over top of them, because they need to be able to have the chance to think, and however long it takes them to try to write down this sentence. When they're done, I will, as the adult, will come back and I will get the student to read it to me. Now, the students in my group, I'm tasking them to use this. I don't know if you can see it. It's actually pretty small lines, but it does have the little red dotted line in the middle. So I am going to use this as an opportunity to take a look at their letter formation and get them to practice some of those tricky letters that they're struggling with. That's not essential for this spelling task, but it's something you could try to do at the same time. So once we read through the sentence, then we're going to be thinking about specifically what targeted skill we're looking at. So in this case, the short vowels in the middle of words. So for sure, any errors with short vowels, as an adult, you will help the child to sound out the word, correct any errors, and then read the sentence again once everything has been corrected. If students are reluctant, my recommendation is that you just start with very short sentences, maybe 3 words, and then don't give up. Keep trying every single day. As students get more used to this, they'll be a little bit more willing to participate. Hopefully, because it's the automatic correcting and it's the one-on-one work, it'll be a fairly quick way to focus in on spelling skills that isn't just a word list. It's taking the skills they're already learning, applying it to spelling within context of how they typically would write, which is in sentences. Hope you found this helpful, and leave a comment below if you have any questions that I can answer for you. Thanks. Check out the links below if you would like some resources to some dictation sentences to use for this activity.